Okay, the watch list video for Friday, February 3rd, the SPY holding that 20-day. So we are poised to continue with our watch list. I just want to make sure there's no shock events before I go in and make a watch list. So we got that going on. IWM, same thing, kind of right in the middle of its recent 1 week range. Let's go into the watch list. ROKA, extra volume today, big pop, and trying to break out of a range, maybe a red to green, something like that tomorrow in ROKA. Lower float stock. AIRI, nice little pop attempt here to break out, and then a couple red days, and then each one of these big spikes has been kind of accompanied by big volume. So this one's certainly interesting for a potential breakout. I'm going to watch that one. NAKD. Now, usually when something makes a huge move like this, the next day isn't the time to watch it, but I want to watch this one for the next several days. Big short squeeze today. Worth having on watch for the next 5 days or so. GoPro kind of trying to break out of this range. GPRO, just going to have it on watch for continuation. BNTC looks just like NAKD. A huge move, right? Just goes on watch for the next 5 days or so. Tomorrow, probably not the day to trade those, okay? But we're going to put them on a chart anyway. DFFN, a lot of extra volume today and a strong close. Going to watch that for maybe a red to green tomorrow. Dry ships, I'll have to zoom in to get that nonsense out of this one. Had a big 2-day run and then 2 days lower on declining volume. Definitely goes back on watch for tomorrow. No trades in it today. MBRX, let me pan out now. So you had this big spike back in December, and then it tailed off, and then you had another big spike yesterday and a quiet inside day today. Pretty good setup for a possible pop tomorrow. DGLY, another red day today, no trades in it. Just just a gap up and a big move, and declining volume for 3 days, ready for a turn back up. No trades in it today. Goes back on watch for tomorrow. I've started putting big moves down back on watch for a potential bounce play the next day. Again, not bullish on this chart, but looking for a bounce tomorrow. Doesn't cost me anything to have it on a chart. Same thing with IP and CCJ. All three of those go on bounce watch for Friday. I'm going to leave it at that. We'll add some gappers in the morning, and hopefully between all these on the overnight list and the potential gap play list that we build in the morning, we'll catch a couple good trades and go into the weekend in green fashion. Have a good night.